US indices taken a good dip today and now trying to bounce back. We have seen S&P moving towards 5770, US 100 towards 2530, and US 30 towards 41730. So what to expect now with the US session? From the S&P, Nasdaq and Dow, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Thus, subscribe, press the bell. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Do join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first S&P followed with Nasdaq, then Dow. Watch till the also tomorrow the US markets are gonna remain closed, and this is today's session is definitely critical as day after tomorrow we have the most critical inflation data getting released from US, which is definitely going to add much to the volatility. So be watchful today. Let's see S&P on the hourly charts. After getting resistance here at 5810, 5825 levels, we have seen a dip here. Now it is very important for S&P to move beyond 5810 levels. Once it stays above 5810, we are looking forward to 5825, and once 5825 is taken, you can stay bullish for 5840 and then 5865 levels. Such a strong recovery appears difficult, but yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. Now notice this drop, sideways movement drop, and it may try to retrace towards the highs here. Where are the highs for this channel? Now the highs for this channel are limited at around 5865, 5880 zone, the next resistance zone. Let's have a further look. Stochastic rising. MACD is extremely bearish now, trying to converge. The crossover here can lead to a complete reversal. Be mindful. RSI rising of the oversold zone coming to on the 2-hour charts. Also similar observations here. Flat base suggests a stronger support, and thus it is now clear that it has to now trade below 5770 in order to confirm further bearishness. It is trying to recover, and now 5810 is the level it needs to break here in order to keep moving towards 5825, 5840, and in fact higher levels are possible. Let's watch out further. See stochastic oversold, MACD trading with extreme bearishness, RSI oversold as well, trying to recover here. Coming to the 3-hour charts, remember on the 3-hour charts, after a series of bearish candle, it is showing a reversal sign. It is possible that we may see 5808 here, and it is possible that 5825 and 584060 zone can be seen as well. Let's see stochastic oversold here, MACD trading extremely bearish, RSI oversold. So on the indicators parts, definitely the S&P 500 is trading extremely oversold. Likewise on the 4-hour charts. Now on the 4-hour charts, another way to look at it here is connect the dots here. You can see this is how it has been trading, and now if it trades beyond 5808, 5810 levels, consider this for a very strong recovery. 582225 levels, and then 5840 plus levels should be there. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading with extreme bearishness, RSI oversold, looking forward to a recovery. Coming to the day on the daily charts, also see this is the zone from where the dip is seen or dip is started today. So yes, it is very critical for the S&P to break beyond this zone. Now see, this is also a double top level it is created here. So now I'll wait for it to break beyond this zone, which means it is very critical for S&P to trade beyond 5825 levels here. Beyond this, you can expect 5840, 5860, and in fact higher levels are possible. The crossover here in the moving average, which is a definitely stronger bearish sign, but yes, the prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period, 50 period as well. Thus it may try to retrace a little. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading with extreme bearishness, RSI at bottom. So considering this, I will recommend you to now buy at 5810 levels, expected to. In fact, you can buy at 5800 as well, 5798, 5800 as well. Expect 5808, 5810 as the first target zone. Beyond this, expect 5825, 5828 as the next, and then if it breaks this, is stay bullish for 5840, 5860, and then 5885 levels as the next targets. Take your positions accordingly. On the sell side now, I'll recommend only a selling entry at 5770, below which you can expect it to drop sharp, below which you can expect it to move towards 575250 levels, the first target zone, and below 575250 is where you are looking forward to a greater correction towards 5700, the strongest support zone. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. See, Tech 100 also after this greater dip, but now trying to recover. If you connect the highs and the lows and the 20 period, it is now very important for Tech 100 to trade beyond 274760 zone, and if that is taken, stay bullish for 284860 as the next targets. And if 284860 is taken, consider that as a bullish reversal. You can look forward to 20,900 and 21,000 levels as well. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. If it can drop sharp, it can rise sharp as well. Now the most critical resistance is definitely going to be there at 274760 zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge. The RSI is coming out of the oversold zone. Good sign, it is oversold, it is trying to to recover, making an attempt here to break here the highs. Look at the lower lows, look at the lower highs, and look at the median here. So now I will wait for it to stay above 2700, and once it stays above 20700, I think we are looking forward to 747.60 as the first target zone, 20,848.50 as the next, and beyond that 20,910 will appear after that 21,000. But these are greater resistance zone, do not take these lightly. It is going to be difficult for it to do so. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish, RSI oversold, trying to recover here. Coming to the 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, this could be a possible reversal sign after a series of bearish candles. And now very, very important for it to trade about 20,700 and 757.60. Now, certainly this could confirm the reversal here. Notice the drop, sideways movement, the drop here, and now it is trying to recover like this, which means it has a potential to move somewhere close to 2950 or 21,000 as well. Be mindful of this. It may take time, but yes, it can keep on moving towards this. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI oversold here. Coming to 4, the observation here also remains the same here. See, it is trying to aspire at least towards this, which means it is trying to at least move towards 2747.60 zone, and if that is taken, then you can see a good rise which is going to take towards 848.50 and in fact 900 plus levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold. Coming to now on the daily chart, see, it was trading with outside Bollinger Bands. It has hit the lows. It can recover completely, but to deliver it such a strong reversal, I think it is definitely going to be difficult. But yes, at least towards 747.60 it has to be there, and then beyond it we can look forward to a good move towards 848.50 levels. If it trades above 848.50, stay bullish. We are looking forward to a greater rise towards 2910, 920, and then 21,000 levels. Close to 21,000 should be there. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent in bearish, RSI at bottom. So consider, I will recommend you to now buy here at 20,700. Expect 747.60 as the first target zone, 800 as the next, 848.50 as the third. If 848.50 is taken, stay bullish for 20,900, 20,970, 21,000, 50, and in fact 21,100 plus levels. To for it to deliver such a strong move, it needs to have a motivation. Let's see if there is a motivation in tech 100. On the downside, and now I'll recommend a selling entry at 20,600 levels. Expect 2570, 540 and 500. Below 20,500, stay short for 20,350 levels, and below 20,350 it is 20,200 on the charts, chances of which appears to be less. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to down. US 30 on the hourly chart showing a reversal sign, delivering bullish candle, waiting for it to stay now above 41,900, 41,950 zone, which should be the first resistance zone, which it needs to break. Beyond this, you can look forward to 42,050, and then in fact it may try to move towards filling the gap here towards 42,200 levels. Let's watch out if it breaks beyond 41,000, 42,000 zone. Stochastic rising, MACD is extremely bearish. It has hit the bottom. It is now crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. Good sign for the bulls here. RSI rising from the oversold zone, coming to 2. Look at the 2 hour charts. This is where I will wait for it to break 20,900 or 41,900 levels, and then 41,950 levels. Breaking beyond which chances will be high that 42,050, 42,100 and 42,200 levels should be there very soon. Notice what is happening on the US 30 after the drop, consolidation drop. Now it is trying to retrace. It is trying to create this channel. Chances for higher highs, or at least 42,200 to 42,400 is there very soon. But right now it is staying bearish. Stochastic, MACD traded with extreme bearishness, trying to converge. Wait for a crossover here that will confirm the reversal. But yes, it is coming from an extremely lower level, so it calls for a little reversal. Coming to 3, the observation is same, a reversal sign, and now first bullish candle. Let it stay above 41,900, 41,950, and then 42,000 levels. Beyond this, you can expect a stronger bullish momentum here. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. MACD divergent and bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI, if you look at the RSI, this is also oversold. Coming to 4, similar is the observation on the 4 hour chart. See, diminishing bearishness, and now trying to show a recovery. It can aspire to move towards the zone which is at 42,000. First, let it stay above 41,900 levels, which should be a good resistance. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish, RSI oversold here. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily chart, see, now it is critical for, see, first of all, it was outside Bollinger Bands. It has hit lower lows, lower highs. Now it is critical for it to stay above 42,000. Now once it trades above 42,000, You can expect a grand recovery here where we can aspire for it to move towards 42,200 plus levels as well. Beyond 42,200 can deliver a stronger recovery. What is happening here for US30 drop, retracement drop, retracement drop? Yes, it is trying to create this channel, which is a bearish channel. The highs of this channel now towards 42,800, 43,000 levels. Stochastic oversold here, MACD extremely bearish, RSI at bottom. So considering this buy at 42,900 levels, expected to move towards 42,950, 43,000, 43,020 at the second target zone. And then once it stays above this, chances will be high that we may see US30 towards 43,200 levels. Be mindful of this. Possibility is still there for a stronger recovery. Beyond 43,200, stay bullish for 42, 43, 350, 400 as the next targets. On the downside, a selling entry now, I'll recommend only and only if you see it is staying below 42, 41,800 levels, expect 41,760, 740 as the first target, 41,700 as the next. If at all it trades below 41,700, I will treat that as a bearish move. You can expect it to move towards 41,600, 640. Now 41,600 is an extremely important support here for Dow Jones on the downside, below which you can expect a greater correction towards 41,400 and lower levels, chances for which appears to be less. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do not miss to watch